Each night we embark on a journey. It is a journey into the depths of our minds. Sleep. Sleep is a fundamental human need, much like breathing, eating, and drinking. It is an essential part of life. Without sleep, our bodies and minds would struggle to function. We spend about a third of our lives asleep. This may seem like a lot of time, but sleep is not wasted time. During sleep, our brains are busy with many important tasks. These tasks are crucial for our physical and mental health. Sleep allows our bodies and minds to rest, repair, and recharge. Our sleep is not a single uniform state. It is a dynamic process with distinct stages. We cycle through these stages throughout the night. Each stage has its unique characteristics and purposes. Understanding these stages can help us appreciate the complexity of sleep. The first stage is light sleep. Our muscles relax and our brainwaves slow down. We may experience strange sensations or hypnic jerks. As we fall deeper, we enter stage 2. Our heart rate and body temperature drop. Stage 3 is deep sleep. Our brainwaves become very slow. This stage is crucial for physical restoration and repair. Finally, we reach REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, our eyes dart back and forth beneath our eyelids. Our brain activity increases. It resembles wakefulness. This is the stage where most vivid dreams occur. REM sleep is essential for learning, memory, and emotional processing. During REM, our brains process information from the day. They consolidate memories and make sense of our emotions. Section 4. Dreams, messages from the subconscious cosmos. Dreams have fascinated humans for centuries. They are mysterious and often bizarre. Dreams can be mundane or fantastical. They can be frightening or exhilarating. What do they mean? There are many theories about the meaning of dreams. Some believe dreams are a way for our subconscious to communicate with us. They might reflect our hidden desires, fears, and anxieties. Others see dreams as a way for our brains to process emotions and experiences. Dreams might help us make sense of the world around us. Section 5. Sleep and physical health, restoring the cosmic body. Sleep is essential for our physical health. During sleep, our bodies repair and rejuvenate. Our muscles rebuild and grow. Our immune systems strengthen. Growth hormone, essential for development, is released during deep sleep. Lack of sleep can have serious consequences for our physical health. It can weaken our immune systems, making us more susceptible to illness. It can increase our risk of chronic diseases. These diseases include heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Section 6. Sleep and mental health, a clearer cosmic mind. Sleep is equally crucial for our mental health. Sleep impacts our mood, concentration, and memory. When we are well rested, we tend to be more alert, focused, and emotionally balanced. We can think more clearly and solve problems more effectively. Chronic sleep deprivation can have severe consequences for our mental health. It can lead to irritability, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating.